Hey guys, Jordan here. Before we dive into this video, I just want to say that you can sign up for the complete course, The Ultimate Photographer Formula, free of charge. It is an email course, so you'll get one video a day over the duration of 65 days as you progress through the course. And you can sign up for that free of charge by clicking the link in the description. Enjoy the video. In this video, I'm going to go over 3 different types of shots we use during walkthrough videos. There are plenty of different shots that you can experiment with while you're shooting, but these are the ones that we have found that really help showcase a home in the best way possible. The first shot type is the slider-like shot. To do this, you stand in one position with your legs apart, and without moving your feet, slide the camera from left to right or right to left to imitate a slider. You can even lean back and slide forward as well. The slider-like shot can be used to reveal a room from a doorway, and sometimes shots that are in slow motion like a water fountain or moving fan. The second shot type is the panning shot. This is a very simple but effective shot where you can just pan your camera from left to right or right to left. Panning is a great way to show an entire room. To do this, stand in one position and without moving your feet, pan the camera from one wall to the other, showing the entire room. One pan should take around 10 to 15 seconds. The slower you pan, the better the shot will be. Finally, the third type of shot is the walking shot. To do this, you literally just walk in any direction with the gimbal while maintaining a steady shot. We use this particular shot multiple times throughout the home. Remember to walk slowly and bend your knees to prevent bouncing or shaking in the camera. Walking shots can be used down hallways or through doorways to reveal a room. You can also walk around focusing on a certain object like a kitchen island or table. To produce a great video, you will need to use a combination of these 3 shots, but don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with other types. If you guys have any additional questions, feel free to reach out. We'll see you guys on the next one.